With Intuit Enterprise Suite, something that used to take me a whole day now happens in minutes. My husband and I started Humble House back in 2008. We were right out of high school and we started a company, so our parents thought we were pretty insane. We started making hot sauce, selling it at a farmer's market on the weekends. I literally had a spiral notebook and I would just do a tally mark whenever we sold something. Now we have a 10,000 square foot facility. We have our hot sauces in 2 major retailers in the United States, which is amazing. It grew a lot, it changed, but it's definitely had humble beginnings. We started with just one entity, and then we quickly figured out that we needed to split it into 3 because we were manufacturing, we were doing wholesale, and we were marketing to retail side of things. We needed to be able to see where all the dollars were going. Without that information, you can't make those decisions that will move the company forward. It was difficult to pull a report from here and then try to match it up with the report from this company and then try to match it up with, and then, is that correct? It would take me a solid day to get the total consolidated report. It was a lot of manual entry and just a lot of brain space that you really don't have when you're trying to run a company. But all that changed when we got Intuit Enterprise Suite. So now, instead of having to manage 3 separate QuickBooks online accounts, I'm able, with Intuit Enterprise Suite, to see all 3 of them consolidated. I can get a bird's eye view of the health of the companies as a whole or individually. I can see the profit and loss, where everything's going, and I'm able to access those reports in a matter of minutes. That has really helped us to hone in on what we could improve for our companies in order to be more competitive in the marketplace. I am able to get the information that we need to make those decisions instantly. Food manufacturing has very strict compliance requirements, and we are required to trace every batch, every ingredient from raw material through the finished product stage. We use a third-party system called Markov, and we're very lucky that Intuit Enterprise Suite is an open platform that allows Markov to integrate seamlessly. Having that available real-time by linking our Markov software with our Intuit Enterprise Suite for accounting is the reason that we are able to stay successful. We had been using QuickBooks Bill Pay, QuickBooks Payments, QuickBooks Payroll for years. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, we were able to keep the functionality, and because we have everything in one place, it's easier for us to find the trends and connect the dots with all the different data that is available. And we're able to compete with companies significantly larger than ourselves with half the number of people. When we were looking at these different ERPs, it was really a non-starter because they didn't have those functions. They didn't have a payroll part of it. They didn't have bill payments like Intuit Enterprise Suite. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, we have peace of mind knowing that the financial system that we're using can actually scale with us, as it has for the past decade. It gives us a chance to take our heads out of the business and look to the future.